Go up to the pain point, okay? Don't kill it, just to that pain point. Good. Back down. So we're treating her for some low back pain after deadlifting. What we're doing right now is trying to loosen up some of the muscles with some cupping and having her go through extension at the same time. Good. 3 more. Good. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Good. Perfect. Come on. And the marks here are definitely pulling out some of the junk in her muscles. All right, face me over here on your side. Good. All right, perfect. So we're gonna work those hip muscles a little bit, okay? So you're gonna go on your side, you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna pull up. Just go through that motion for me. Good. Good. 1, 2. Good. Good. All right, get close, Josie. Good. Good. 2 more. 1. All right, up and in. Good. Up and in. Yes. Good. 1 more. Good. Perfect. Good. All right, so you relax for me, okay? I'm gonna bring you up and over. Good. All right, deep breath in and out. Good. Good. All right. On your back, face up. Slide down a little bit. We'll get that middle back moving. Hug yourself. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. 1 more. In and out. Good. All right. On your side this way. Good. We're going to work those same hip muscles, okay? Good. So you're going to go here and up. Good. 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 1 more. Good. Perfect. Up and in. Good. In. In. 3 more. Good. Good. 1 more. Good. All right, right there. Deep breath in out. Good. Awesome. All right, let me have you stand up. Let's see what it looks like going side to side, backwards. Good. What do you got going backwards? Okay, that's definitely way better. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get her out in the gym and start strengthening around and building up that capacity for the low back.